Hey, boys and girls, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Super excited because today we're going to go on a scavenger hunt. A what, Mr. McAndrew? That's right, a scavenger hunt, which means you're going to go around the house with your parents' permission. Don't go anywhere you're not supposed to go, okay? Don't get me in trouble. And you're going to find objects, okay? So here's how it works. I want you to find something that you only have one of, like just one. Like maybe you only have one, I don't know, one dog, or one car, or maybe you have one um, lizard. I don't know. Maybe you have one piece of pizza left in the refrigerator. One of anything. Maybe you have one. I don't know. You'll figure it out. So here's how it works. Okay. So look what I got here. So if you can get a piece of paper, that would be great. If you cannot get a piece of paper, it's fine. You'll just take pictures of the things that you do find. Okay. But if you do have a piece of paper, here's what I would like you to do. Get the piece of paper and a marker or a pen or a pencil. And once you have that, come back to the video. Okay. So pause the video and then come back once you have a piece of paper and a pencil. That's it. That's all you need. Okay? All right. I'll see you in a minute. All right. So if you have a piece of paper, great. If you do not, don't worry about it. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. But if you do have a piece of paper, we're going to make it look like this. All right. Sorry about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm first going to draw a line, okay? Sort of like right here, not in the middle, like sort of like over to the left right here. I'm going to draw a line straight down, okay? So that's the first thing I'm going to do. If you need to pause the video to copy me, then go ahead and do that. If you need some help from one of your parents or something, that's fine too. Okay, now I'm going to draw 4 lines going horizontally, which means going this way. So watch what I do. I'm going to draw, it doesn't be perfect, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, so I did 1 line going vertically up and down, and now I'm doing 4 lines going this way, and try and space them out like I did. So you've got about an equal amount of space each time. So if you draw 4 lines, then you can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So you got the numbers 1 through 5. And now, once you've done that, pause the video if you need to, if I'm going too fast. I want you to do it again. You can do it on the back, okay, of the same piece of paper. Or, if you want a new piece of paper, that's fine as well. So then you would need 2 pieces of paper. But you can just do it on the back. It's fine. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a line vertically and then 4 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. But now I'm going to write 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Okay. All right. So now what do I do, Mr. McAndrew? All right. That's a good question. So first, make sure you have this. Okay. And on the back or another piece of paper, you have this. Okay. If you don't have paper, it's okay. We will figure this out together. Okay. So your job now is to, I'm going to give you, let's see, I'm going to give you until Friday to finish this. Okay, so you can do some today, which is, Tuesday? Or no, is it Wednesday? I'm all confused. You can do some today, which is Tuesday. You could do some tomorrow, which is Wednesday. You could do some on Thursday, and then I want you to have it done by Friday when you watch the video. Okay? So you have until basically the end of the week to finish this. I want you to find, like I said, one object that you have in the house. So like I said, if you have one, for example, maybe you have one car, then you could draw a car here. Okay, you could go like this. You could go, drawing a car. I'm not the best artist, so bear with me. That's the steering wheel, in case you're wondering. Maybe there's like a seat in here. There's somebody driving. Oh, Hands are on the wrong place. Your arm should not be coming out of your face. Sorry about that. All right, so, something like that. It's a little tailpipe. So you could draw a car, or you could write the word car. But if you don't know how to spell that, that's fine. Just draw a car. Okay, that's fine. Now, if you have, maybe you don't have a car. Well, that's fine. Or maybe you have 2 cars. That's fine too. So you could put the car here. You could draw a car under the number 2 if you have 2 cars. But then you have to find something else for number 1. Okay, so you want to find things in your house that you have 2 of. So maybe you have 2 TVs, or maybe you have 2 cats, or 2 parents, or 2 siblings, brother and sister, or 2 goldfish. I don't know. I don't live with you, so you gotta figure this out, okay? And then you want to find something with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I don't know. Maybe you could count like how many spoons you have. Maybe you have like 8 spoons in the drawer. So you could draw a picture of. How do you draw a spoon? Maybe like this. Right? So you could draw like 8 spoons. Right? That's 3, 4, and then you draw 4 more. So you draw 8 spoons, or you could write the word spoons. Okay, now, those of you who are wondering, a couple questions you might have. What if I don't have any paper? I just can't find any. Okay, so you could take pictures of the things that you found. Like, here's a picture of 8 spoons, or here's a picture of my car. You probably need your parents' help with that, but that's one thing you could do, right? If you do have paper, you can draw it. You can write it. You could do both. Even if you do have paper, you could take pictures. The point of this is not to get hung up in the details. It's to have fun and to count things around the house. Now, another question you might have is, well, Mr. McAndrew, I can't find anything that I have 7 of. I've counted like my whole house and there's nothing with 7. Okay, that's fine. Maybe you have like 12 forks. Okay? But you do have 7 forks. You just have more than 7. So maybe just count out 7 and draw 7 forks, or take a picture of 7 forks, or just count the 7 forks as your 7. Okay? So it doesn't have to be exact. Let me make myself bigger. If you can make it bigger, that's great. Okay? If you can make it exact, like find exactly 7 of something in your house, that's even better. Okay? Now, don't go into rooms you're not allowed to go into. Okay? The kitchen probably has more things, right? Like, see how many pots you have, for example, right? Who knows? Maybe it adds up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You probably don't have more than 10 pots. I don't think. Maybe. I don't know. You have to find out. Okay? All right. So I'll mention this again tomorrow, but you have the rest of the week to work on this. Have fun. The whole point is to count objects in your house. So you're not just in front of the computer watching me again, like, oh my God, I'm watching Mr. McAndrew again. Okay. So I'm going to go. Okay. I hope you have the idea of it. Remember, you can draw, you can write, or you can take pictures. The idea is to it's like a scavenger hunt. Like you're like, oh, 5. I got to find 5 of something. Maybe in your room you have 5 stuffed animals. Who knows? Okay? Have fun, count a lot, and I'll see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.